Okay, let's quickly begin the class, inshallah. So Aisha, let's check your homework first. Okay. Aisha, you there? Any doubts? Any doubts in first two problems?
No, I didn't have any doubts
Okay,
in the
mashallah,
first.
that's great. So first two problems were easy for you. So
Mm-hmm.
it's the third problem. Okay, let's try the third problem. It states that find the radius of the circle. Radius is equal to how much if area is equal to 154 centimeters squared. Okay, how would you find this answer, beta? It's quite easy. What would you do?
Wait, can you read the question to me?
Find the radius of the circle if area is 154 square centimeter.
Oh, okay. So we
Okay.
don't know what the radius is, but we do know what the area is.
Area is so area. What is the formula for area? Area equals
Pi r squared.
squared. So we just need to find r here. That's all. So we'll apply everything here. 154 is equal to pi r squared. First thing, what are you going to do, Aisha? Is it not divided by pi?
Yeah, we're gonna
Yes.
divide pi by
Divide
both
by
sides.
pi on both sides. So it is 154 over pi. Find this answer, Aisha. Pi over pi and r square. Find the answer to 154 over pi. So r
Hold up,
square would be 154 over 3.142.
It's 49.044.
So it is 49. Let's just write it as 49, okay?
Okay.
49 equals r square. How would you find r? What would you do for finding r? Aisha, what did I tell you yesterday?
Root. Yeah, you add the root
Apply
on
root.
both.
So root.
That root and that root cancel out, and
Yes,
then we just
exactly.
find the root of 49.
R is equal to root of 49, which is equal to, what is it, beta? Is it not 7 centimeters?
Oh yeah, it's 7
Yes,
centimeters.
it's 7 centimeters. It's quite easy, right?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I didn't know. I forgot that we could also divide for area too. We could so I know that we could do it for circumference, but I forgot that we could do it for area too. So
Okay, so we discussed this in detail, right? 3 to 4 problems we discussed for this, okay? You need to learn this properly, okay? Practice these problems again, inshallah. So let's do for the fourth problem. Fourth problem, we have the circumference part itself. Do you want to write this down?
I got it down.
Alhamdulillah. The fourth question, this is the question you're going to solve this, okay? Circumference is given. Circumference is something. What is it? Okay, it is 154 square centimeter again. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the area is circumference is a question mark. Area is given. Okay. Area is equal to 154 square centimeter. Now, what are you going to find it first? Please tell me.
We're trying to find the circumference.
If a radius is given, if area is given, but what is missing to find circumference? What is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r, right? So
Yeah,
what is
we're missing the radius. Oh,
yes,
okay. So we
radius?
solve for area first, and then we get
Yes,
radius, and
very
then we
good.
put it.
Excellent. Got it? First, you solve for area first, and then we find r from this. What is the value for r? Then we are going to apply the r value here, and we are going to find the circumference. Understood, Maisha? Understood,
Yeah.
Aisha? Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
This is same as the previous problem. Just to avoid the extra steps. What I did was I gave the same question as previous one. Area is the same question as previous one. So what is the answer to previous one? What was the answer?
Okay, so and then we divide by pi by both sides.
On both sides, pi cancelled out, and this
That
becomes
cancels out.
yes,
Hold up, I'm dividing right now.
It was 49 equals r square. Root on both sides.
That would be 49.04.
Yes.
The same
So
thing.
r is equal to 7 centimeter, right?
Yeah. And
So,
then we do the circumference. So we do 2 times 3.14 times 7, because we know what the radius is.
excellent.
So 2 times 3.14 equals 6.28 times 7. 43.96.
So this is your answer, beta. Understood? Any doubts from here?
No.
No doubts, right, Marshall? Any doubts on the rest of the homework? 1, 2, and 3?
No, I didn't have any doubts. But did I do it right?
Yes, you did it right, mashallah. Just the area as well as this you have to calculate. Find the area of the circumference is given. Circumference is equal to... No, the fifth problem is wrong. Actually, I just checked now. The fifth problem is wrong. Fifth is
Oh,
wrong, and the first two are right. It's right. And the radius of the circle of circumference is... Yes, first two are right, mashallah. That's great, beta. So, area and circumference is also right. The fifth one is wrong, Aisha. Can we do it now?
yeah,
Okay.
we can do it now.
Find the area of the circumference is 8 centimeter. They have told circumference is equal to 8 meters. So what is the area of the circle? So what is not given, beta? To find area, what do we need? Do we not need R here? So where is R? Where is
Find the
R?
area of circumference. We don't know the R.
Yes, to find R, we make use of what is given. What is given is circumference. Let's
We
make use
know,
of... Yes, yes,
so
we
we
know
know the
circumference.
circumference is 8.
Yes, so make use of what is given and find the radius and then apply the radius from this to this. Fine. At last, we're going to find radius from this formula. So what is circumference? What do we write in this formula at first, beta? Is it not 8 here?
So, yeah, it would be 8, then 2 pi r, then we divide 2 pi on both sides. That would cancel out, and then we would do 8 divided by 2.
Excellent. 2 times to 1 times 2 4 times. So 4 over pi. Just tell me the answer to 4 over pi. This is the value for r. That's all. Circumference would seem quite easy for you.
Wait, hold up. We didn't do 8 divided by 2?
8 divided by 2,
Oh,
we did
okay.
it. 1 times 2 4 times. So it is 4 over pi.
Oh, sorry, yeah. So we do 4 divided by
3.14.
3.14.
Yes, but yes.
And that's 1.27.
So 1.27 is the radius. Is it meter or centimeter? It's just the meter, right? So Aisha,
Yeah,
what
it's
are you going to do now is you're going to apply the radius in the area. That's all right, beta? So as simple as that. So what you do here is 3.14 times the which square, Aisha? 1.27
1.27 centimeters.
MashaAllah, very good. So please tell me the answer. Was it easy? So the way you did it was totally wrong, Aisha. How could you get the 4 centimeter there, beta? The fifth question that you solved was totally wrong. Okay? Just remember the thing that you had to solve for R and then you had to go for area. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Have you written it down? Are you solving this? Done? What is the area? 3.14 times the 2 points.
3.98 is the area.
Are you sure? We have
Yeah.
3.14 multiplied by 1.27 whole square. Is it 3.98? Yes.
Okay, hold on.
What would be the unit? What would be the unit?
Wait, I'm calculating it again.
Okay. First you have to do 1.27 squared. 1.27 into 1.27 and then multiply 3.14. So it would be 1.98. No problem. I guess it would be around 3 to 4. Yes, it is almost 4 centimeters squared. Yes, this would be right.
Oh, 6.41.
Are you sure? Is it 1.27 whole square is... what is the answer to
So
1.27?
you multiply 1.27 2 times. 1.27. Which gets us 1.6129. And then I
Okay.
multiply that to 3.14.
Yes, do it.
Which gave me 5.064.
Okay, it's again different answer?
Yeah, I don't know this calculators.
Okay. I'll just tell you what would be the right answer. Multiplied by 3.14 is equal to... Is it 4? It is 4.999. This is your answer, okay?
Oh, okay.
It will
Wait,
be on.
don't delete it. I'm gonna write it down.
Yes, please write it down.
Okay, I wrote it down.
Okay, this is actually same as the question that was asked in your worksheet, beta. Do you remember? There was a question in your worksheet asking about find the circumference of the circle. If the circumference of the circle, find the radius of the circle, right? That
Yeah.
was the actual question in your worksheet. Okay, alhamdulillah. So we are done with almost all the problems on area and circumference. And we just have, I'll just give you two more problems and we'll go to the final problem, okay, inshallah. So would you be able to solve this down, Rita? I want to check how much you have known on this concept. Find the radius of the circle if its area is 340 square centimeters.
So then first we would write the area's formula, which would be A equals
Can you
to.
write on the screen or should I write it for you?
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm gonna write on the screen.
Okay, find the radius if its area is 340 square centimeters. Pi r square. Excellent.
Okay, so then we plug it in. Area
340
is
equals to
340 equals to pi r2. And we divide pi on both sides.
excellent, mashallah.
So this would be crossed out. We'd be left with R2 and 340. 1 second, I'm gonna 340
Over pi over 3.142.
340 divided by 3.14. It would be 108.2.
108.2 is equal to r squared. But what do we need, Aisha? We need r, right? So to find r, what
Yeah,
do we do on both sides?
we're gonna put the root on it.
Root on both sides, right? If rooting
Yeah.
on both sides, square and square root cancels out, so we'll get r is equal to root of 108.2. This is the answer. Tell me what is the root of 108. That's all. So what is the unit for the
The unit for it is square centimeters.
It's just the centimeter, okay? Area is square centimeter, so it is just the. So what is it? What is the answer?
I don't have the calculator with me of that.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. So it is root of 108. Okay, you told that you do not have calculator like that, right? Okay, no problem. I'll just solve this for you. Root of 108.2, which is equal to 10 point. So how would you solve this down at school? I mean, if you have this test, how would you find the root? Do you take your calculator along with you?
No, they give calculators.
They give.
No, I'm sorry. They get we have I do a virtual school, so I do it at home.
Yes. So how would you take it?
So I would just write root. That's it.
Okay. Okay. You can check for the alternative. You're going to take online calculator, right? You're just surfing.
I'm gonna search up a root calculator.
Google, right? Online calculator. You just search it, right? There over there, at the end there is 123 and 123 and fx. Can you find it now?
This is my dad's phone, so can you just send the.
Okay.
Yeah,
Whenever
can you
you
just.
Google it, right, Vita, there is a concept below that there is f of x. Fine. I'll just send the snapshot. What you have to do is you have to click on the f of x. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take a screenshot of my cell phone. How would you do this? fx you have there. So you need to click on the fx. If you click on the fx, you'll get a concept called root there. Fine. So you do not have the concept of root to find out roots in any of the previous chapters? No?
Wait, what did you say?
Did you have any concept called finding out root?
Yeah, we did.
This chapter you did have it, right? So how did you do it, Beta? So you found out by yourself, by your own, or you just manually did it, or did you calculate it via the calculator?
We did calculate it.
Okay. So take it. I will just move to the next question. Okay, I've just sent the screenshots to your mom's number. Fine. So this is the last problem that we're going to solve in this topic. Come on, please, beta. You're going to solve this for me. Area equals to how much if circumference is equal to 128 inches? What are you going to find out, Aisha?
So we know the okay, wait, hold up, my bad. So 128 equals pi. No, wait, hold up. 2 pi.
Excellent. Yes, right.
Then we divide by both sides 2 pi.
Yes.
This and this would cancel out.
Yes.
And then hold up, I'm calculating that. 128 divided by 2. 128 divided by 2, which would give me
64 over pi.
64. 64 then over pi, yeah. Would give me the radius.
Yes, please tell me the answer to the radius. Where are you going to apply this radius to?
So the radius is 22. Wait, radius is 64 divided by
3.14.
So it'd be 20.38.
20.38. So this is the radius. Where are you going to apply this radius now? To find the area, right?
We're gonna now do the area. So we're gonna now we're gonna write for the equation area, yeah, and then input the values. So
What
we know
values
that
do you remember? Yes.
So we know the radius is 20.38. So then we would do 3.14.
3.14 multiplied by 20.38. What is it, beta? Is it not squared? Yes. So
it
we
is
are
squared,
squaring
yes.
this. Yes, it's a squaring this concept. Then so find out the answer. 20.38.
Okay.
20.28 times the 3.1.
Times 20.38. And then multiply that with 3.1. Oh, I guess such a big number.
Yes, it might be.
So it's 1,304.
Yes.
0.18.
Yes, a centimeter squared or inch squared. Inch squared, right? Square inches. Yeah. Okay, that's great. So we'll quickly see one problem on the shaded region, okay, which we did it on the first class, very first class. So Bismillah, how would you do this? Do you remember? Have you been revising these concepts? How to find the area of the shaded part? Area of the what is procedure? What is the area of the shaded part here, Bija?
So we know that area of shaded part minus area of
area of the bigger circle.
Area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle.
Okay, why is it so, Beta? Will you get the area of the shaded part if you minus both of it? Yes, right?
Yeah.
You'll easily get the area of the shaded part if you subtract the bigger circle minus smaller circle, then you'll get this rest of the shaded part, correct? So how do you find the area of the bigger circle and area of the small circle? It is same as the previous things. So let's find the area of the bigger circle as AB is equal to area of pi r square, and here a smaller circle is equal to pi r square again. So what is the area for the bigger circle? What radius would you consider for the bigger circle?
Is 7. So we know the radius is 7 centimeters.
Yes, excellent. Area is equal to
input that
pi into 7 squared, and here the area is equal to pi into what is it? Is it not 4 squared?
Hold up.
Yes.
Wait, so you did. Okay, area is So we do 749. So we do 3.14 multiplied by 49. 153.86.
86, excellent. Square centimeter.
So that,
Have
yeah,
to write
that's
in
the
it.
area of the
A
big
bigger
circle.
circle, yes, excellent.
And
What's the area
then
of the
we
smaller
know,
circle?
so that would be
16 into 3.14.
3.14 times 16, 50.24.
Excellent. 50.24 square centimeters, right, beta? You should not
Yes.
forget the units. Now, what are you going to do? How to find the area of the
Then we
shaded?
then we
Yes?
subtract them. So 50.20.
No. What are you going to start with? 153.86 minus
So
50.24.
it's, yeah, sorry, I said it wrong, but it's, the answer is 103.62. 62.
103.62. You have to subtract from the larger quantity and smaller quantity because you'll get the negative answer. Even if you write it in that way, it will seem wrong. Okay, so be sure, yeah, that you're writing the bigger quantity here and the smaller quantity at the next, inshallah. So this is the answer for the area of the shaded part, which is 103.62. You have the similar problem in your worksheet, so solve that down, inshallah. Okay, that's great, mashallah. Okay, so we'll solve this problem now. Thing that is actually the problem. This is the actual problem. They've given 10 centimeters here, Aisha. This is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. They've told you this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter. Wouldn't the opposite sides be equal? Yes, right? This side would be equal to this side, correct? So this is
Yeah.
this will be 10 centimeters. So all of it are 20 centimeter, then it is a square, right? So this is given. This is the only thing that is given. Okay, there's another thing they given, that the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So they have just mentioned that the side till here is 7 centimeter. Fine. This is 7 centimeter. So if this is 7 centimeter, what comes into picture? Can you please tell me where else the radius is mentioned here? Is this not the radius? This one and this one?
Oh, yeah, that is.
Yes, that is. So it is 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. What is it? Is it not 14 centimeters?
It is.
Okay, so for finding the area
Wait,
of the
how do you?
I'll just okay, let's undo this. Okay, so this is what is given in this entire circle, which I find. Now, what you're going to find, Aisha, is find the area of the shaded part. So to find the area of the shaded part, do we not have to find the area of the circle?
We do.
Yes. First, we are going to find the area of entire circle. From that, we are going to subtract the area of first triangle BH over 2. This is a triangle 1. I'll mention it. This is a triangle 2. And this would be, they have mentioned this. This is 10 centimeter. This is, what is this now? Is it not 7 centimeter here, beta? 7 plus 7? What
Yeah,
is the
that's
hypotenuse getting? Is it 7 plus 7? Yes. So this is
14.
also 10 centimeter, right? This is 10
Yeah.
centimeter. And here, for the triangle T2, what did we get? This is, if this is 10 centimeter, then the half of 10 centimeter would be 5 centimeter, right? So this is 5
Yeah.
centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. So this is 10, this is 5 for the T2, and for T1, it is 10 and 10. Fine. For T1, let's find for the triangle one, breadth into height, just 10 into 10 over 2. What is the answer to this, beta?
So that would be, hold up, I'm calculating. 10.
100 over 2? Is it not? It's not 10.
10 times 10 is 20.
No, it is 100.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yes, beta. It's 100 over 2. So what is
50,
it, beta?
so it's 50.
Yes, yes. So it is 50 centimeter squared. Yes, it is squared centimeter. So area of one triangle T1 is 50 centimeter squared. Now please tell me the area of triangle T2.
Area of triangle. Area of triangle.
T2, the second triangle. So I told you already the measurements. What are the measurements? 10, half of 10 is 5, right? So this is a measurement of the base. And this is the measurement of height. What is the height here in the triangle T2? Is it not 10?
5 times 10, so
5 times 10 over 2. What is 10 into 5,
that would
beta?
be 50 divided by 2.
So what is it? For how many centimeters squared?
25.
So it is 25 centimeters squared, and this one is 50 centimeters squared. Fine. Keep this down, write this down somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Done?
Got it.
Should I release that down? Just remember 50 and 25, please. Remember both of this quantity. Okay, can we just add up these two quantities, please? Yes, we can add up it, right? Because we are going to subtract it from the whole circle. Fine.
So it would be 70.
75, not 70. 50 plus 25 is 75
Oh, yeah,
centimeters
70.
squared. Yes. Area of
Yeah,
the
70.
triangle T1 and area of the triangle T2 is 75 centimeters squared. Just write it down. Fine. Area of triangle T1 plus area of triangle T2 is equal to, plus when we are going to add it up, it is 75 centimeters squared.
75.
Okay, this is written somewhere. Fine. So, can we not calculate the area of the shaded part? Area of the shaded part, area of shaded region is equal to area of the entire circle minus the area of two triangles. Fine. Can we not do it in this way? Instead of doing it for the square, can we not do it as the entire circle minus area of the two triangles?
Yeah, we can.
Yes, right? Yes. From the entire circle, if you find the area, you will get the entire area. From that, if you minus the two triangle area, then it is same as getting the answer to the shaded part. It's fine. That's all you have to do. It is nothing but area of the shaded part is equal to area of the entire circle minus area of the two triangles. So what is the area of the entire circle is nothing but pi r square minus what? 75, right? 75 is the area of the two triangles. So a pi, what is pi r squared? Pi is 22 over 7. The radius is already given that it is 7 centimeter, right, beta?
Yeah.
So 7 into 7, so it is 22 minus 75. Sorry, 22 by 7 into 7 squared, right? Into 7. So what is it? 7 into 22? What is the answer to 7 into 22, beta? Okay,
Wait,
you want to do
what should
it? Okay, please, you want to do it in that way, right? Yeah, yeah. What is the answer to 3.142 multiplied by 7 squared minus 75, right? Have you understood till here? Any doubts till here?
14 times
Any doubts till
49.
here, beta? This is nothing but pi r squared, the entire circle, minus the area of the two triangles that we had already calculated.
So it's 78.86.
Okay, so what is the area of the shaded part?
78.86.
No, area of the shaded part, the final area.
Yeah, I already subtracted it too.
So what is 3.14 times the 7 squared?
So that's, hold up, I'm pulling that up.
So final answer is 78.86.
4 times 49, which gives us 153.86, and then subtract
75 minus 75 from it.
75,
So it is
78.86.
So, mashallah, that's great, beta. So it is 153.86 minus 75, 78.86. This is your final answer to this question. And this question had to be, some changes had to be made to this question because this question was actually wrong. Fine. This is the right answer to the right question.
Okay.
So, any doubts still here?
No, I'm good.
No, mashallah, that's great. Have you taken the screenshot for this?
Yeah, I've taken the screenshot.
Yes. Can you please tell me the procedure again? What did we do here? We just calculated the area of the triangle 1 and the area of the triangle 2 because heights were already given. 10 centimeter here, the 10 centimeter as a whole, so 5 centimeter here and 5 centimeter here, and here it is 10 centimeter given already, and here it is 10 centimeter given already. 10, 10 given, so triangle area T1 was around 50 and triangle T2 area was around 25. So triangle T1 plus T2 gave you T1 plus T2 gave you, what was the area of T1 plus T2? What was it, beta? Area of the triangle. Both of it was 75 square centimeters, right? Then we calculated the area of entire circle. The area of the entire circle was 153 point something called 86 square centimeter. Yeah. What we did was area of the shaded part is nothing but AS is equal to area of the entire circle minus area of the triangle 1 and triangle 2. So it is area of entire circle 153.86 minus 75, which would give you 78.86. This was your final answer. That is it. Understood? This is a quite
Yeah.
easy problem.